Now let's surf into this paragraph part, and let's see how we can customize these paragraphs as we wish. So I'll use something like this, and I'll clear this one. No, instead of clearing, I'll try to write something again. So this is a p tag to paragraph, and I'll type like lorem. Lorem means it generates a paragraph automatically, so we can get it. There's something auto typed. No meaning of this one. We don't need a meaning, we just need a paragraph. So you can see it is not formatted well. It is something here and there. I have to move my tab here and there. So there's a keyboard shortcut to format this automatically. You can use Alt Z. Use the Alt key in your keyboard with Z. So it has automatically formatted and displayed as this. So now let's save again and see the results. You can see this is the result at this moment. Now let's go into our code and try some customizations. So I need to get this lorem word, no, I mean this dollar word highlighted. I need to bold it. So how could I bold this dollar word? So there's a simple tag as strong, and you must include this dollar word inside this strong tag. And let's save and see the result. You can see the dollar word is highlighted and it is bold. Also, you can use just a B tag, B, which is the first letter of bold. This B tag also give you a result of highlighting a text. You can see the dollar is also highlighted and this word is also highlighted. Those things can be get this bold effect can be we can get it using a B tag or using a strong tag. Then after that, so I'll type a strong here to understand it easier by looking at the result and the code. And this dollar one is we don't need this dollar one, this color word, and we'll take some space and we'll clear this also, and let's get this one, and we'll type the name of the tag inside this tag to identify easily using our website. So now you can see the strong and bold. This is the problem. Strong is not highlighted. You can see strong is not highlighted because strong is outside the tag. And now move it into the tag and let's make some dashes and get the space. Now let's save and see the results. You can see strong is bold and bold is bold. So by using strong tag we can get this result. By using bold tag, the B tag, we can get the bold effect. After that we'll try some more things. I'll need a space. Actually I need to move into my next line, so I have pressed enter and move into my next line, and let's see can we get this space using enter. I have saved this one. I have saved, and now let's see. I can't get that space here. I need this space from bold word I need this space, but after saving this one also I can't get this result. What's the effect of that? You must remember in HTML all the white spaces are ignored. These all white spaces between these tags are ignored. Actually you can't get the space as this also. So I need this space. Let's see, can I get this white space and this white space? I have saved by using your keyboard the shortcut key Control S. You can save. So I have pressed Control S and still I can't get any of the spaces I wished. So how to resolve this problem? How can I get this space for new line and how can I get this space? So there are tags to get these results. Now let's see what is the tag I can use to get a new line. I clear these ones and by simply using a BR tag is used to a break. No need to close this tag, and I just used a BR tag. It is auto closing the tag by itself, so no need to close that tag. And I'll press Ctrl S, and now let's see. Now the expected result has came. Strong, bold, and the next line is displayed in a new line. So you can get a new line using a BR tag. After BR tag, I need something like more. Let's do some more editing. So I need to get a word Italy. I have used strong keyword to get bold, and I have used B tag to get bold, and I need some word with Italy. So I'll use I tag and I'll type it. I'll type like Italy, and let's see the word Italy. Can we get this result in Italy? I save this one and you can see Italy. You can see the Italy word is italic. Now let's move into our code and get another BR tag to move into our next line. And let's see the result again to confirm. Yes, we can see strong, bold is there and Italy also there.